Hello friends. So finally I come back after a long time. So recently I ordered an steam iron for me through Amazon and today I received the package. So let's unbox. So here is the main package. So it's the latest edition, the flagship model of Philips steam iron, and it's a 7000 series. So I bought it during the Black Friday, so I got some discounts, around 10% discounts on Amazon. And you can see the packaging, and it has a 2 years of warranty. Here we can see the details. So inside the box, as usual, we have some user manual. We don't need this. And here is our main product. Nothing else here. So it's a white color cable and sky blue color iron. And here is the bottom side. And it's written like made in Indonesia. So every time when I start ironing, then I insert some water here in this chamber, and then I can start ironing by pressing this button for steam. And this is the regular power cord. And it's full metal. full metal. And here are some options. So this white knob, you can shifting the knob towards and backwards to shifting the options for different types of fabric like cotton, silk, synthetic, etc. So, and it's a 250 gram and 2800 watt power it can generate. And here it's written again the Azur 7000 series Philips. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.